Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and I'd like to thank you for tuning in to this video. Today is 11/27/2019, the day before Thanksgiving 2019, and it is it's actually 12 o'clock noon here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And my video today is going to be my day number 19 with MyBitcoinTube. The last video I did was, I believe it was day 15, and today is going to be day 19. Some things have changed, but I'm actually still in group number 7. Slowly but surely, I will get to group 8, and it just takes some time once you get on up here. It's a little longer for some of us to get there. My referrals did go up. I believe I had 10 the other day, but I got 13 now. And as you can see, nobody has done anything yet. So the moral of the story there is you do not need referrals to make money in here, Bitcoin in here. This is the easiest, probably the easiest way to earn Bitcoin online that I know right now. All you do is you're going to be watching 10 paid videos a day. And if you're a premium member, which is right here on the screen, premium membership, you click that and you can join that. If you're a premium member, you also get super videos. And these come up all through the day and night. I come home last night and there was 21 videos waiting for me. I got up this morning, there were 9 more, and I've done 4 so far. My paid videos come around 7:30 or 8 o'clock at night. I usually get those. And then there's bonus videos. There's not a number beside here, but you just got to click on it, and the bonus video will give you 10 BVP, which adds to this up here. This is what you want to build up as high as you can get it. And if you go to the frequently asked questions here, that's where you want to go once you get in here, and just look at these here. You get a lot of information in here. This explains the groups here. When you come in, where you would start, you can move up as fast as you want. You can add money here anytime, add Bitcoin anytime. And then under the earnings tab, it tells how many members are in each group at the moment right here. And this tells them what you make. Like right now, I'm making $12 a day in Bitcoin. Over that, I make actually over that because I get super videos. And I have never withdrew from the system yet. I'm going to get up here to where I want to be before I start taking withdrawals. But once you get up here, there's a formula that you get. Like, for instance, I believe it's like in group 8, you get $24 a day. I think it's withdraw 17 and keep 7 in you could withdraw 17 a day and keep building it, or it's vice versa. I swear to God, I can't remember. Or it's withdraw 7 and keep 17 in, like that. I can't remember. But that way you can withdraw just a little bit every day, and it keeps building your ad packs up, and you don't lose anything. You don't drop down any. So my moral of my story is I'm going to get up here where I want to be before I take any withdrawals. And if you're in group 10, there's 9 of them up there. They're getting over $141 a day in Bitcoin. And I'm very happy. I'm extremely happy with this program. They've had a few things with the server. They did a migration over to a bigger server, and that was a few problems for a couple days. Some things with the all because of that, there was some issues with the signing in and things, but seems like most of that's taken care of, except for maybe certain areas of the world. But I'm here in the United States, and everything works just fine. But what you want to do, the moral of the story here is you want to come in here and earn Bitcoin. And the other thing is, if you got a YouTube channel or want to start a YouTube channel, just starting one, have got one, this is where you want to bring your videos. You just bring your videos over here, load them in right here where it says add new videos and then manage videos and banners. So for every $1 you spend, you get $1 ad pack. For every ad pack, you get 100. Let's see if it pulls up. Yeah, you get 100 YouTube views on that channel. Not on that channel, but actually on that video that you put in here. And you can add a banner to whatever you want it to be to. You get 50 clicks to it. You get $2,700 bonus video points, which go up here for each dollar. So if you get $1 ad pack and this is a 0 up here, it would go to 2,700, unless you're a premium member, and then you get 3,000. And so that's how that works. And let me, I think I may put a video in here for you. I usually do that on every video. Let's see. Yeah, let me add a video. If you got a YouTube channel, if you don't have a YouTube channel at all and want to get started, which I recommend, until you get it started, just go to YouTube and get a video or videos off of there and add them in here when it says you can do that. Go to ClickBank and get you a product to sell, and that's where you can get banners for those. You can add those in the back office. So you want to do something to get something started here. But this is very, very powerful. My YouTube channel has really, really taken off. The other day in the video, I was telling where in like the last few weeks, 88% of all my action views, the analytics on there showed it all came from MyBitcoinTube. I mean, I'm getting a huge amount of views. I'm getting subscribers. I'm getting likes. And it's all coming from here. I mean, the action we get from here, it's very, very, very powerful. It really is. So let me go ahead and see if I can grab a video here and put on here. I put almost everything I've got on there. Let me see if I can find something. Let's see. Let me see. It's very simple. But you want to find whatever video it is that you want to put on. And let's try this one. I think it's even on there, but let's put it on again. I got so many credits on there. I can put these videos on there 3 or 4 times. All right, you get up here in the browser, you get the address, click on that, copy it. Then you come back to MyBitcoinTube. I usually wipe that out because it's all connected anyway. Paste it in there, and then you want the title. There. Copy that title. Come back, paste it in here. Hit submit video. And right after you do that, you want to go straight to manage videos and find that video. So now what you want to do is validate that. You're just going to play it for 20 seconds. I think it's the last one. Yep, here we go, last one. It'll say validate here. You click validate, and it comes up. So this is what it's going to look like when you go to watch paid videos or super. This is what it looks like right here. So if a video of yours is on here, this is what it's going to be. They're going to see the title. They're going to see you or whatever's on there. Now you're going to do now is validate this by clicking it, and it's going to play for 20 seconds. And this is what you do. You watch all your videos for 20 seconds. Oh, come on now. Ooh, got some issues here today. Might not be validating this one. Let's try something here. Let me go back to videos. Almost like I lost internet. I still got it. An error occurred. Please try again later. Okay, I don't know if that's on my end or not, but let's see. Let's go back to manage videos. I'll try this one more time, guys. If it does it again, I'll just do it some other time. Might be doing some kind of maintenance or something. Let's try this again. Looks like it wants to go, but it's not going to go. Well, that's how you do it. So in 20-second timer right here, when it gets to 20 seconds, if all things go well, it'll pass. It'll say success in green. You'll click that, and right after you click that, it'll bring you right back to the videos. And then at that point, let's just say this is the one I just added. There'll be nothing here. That 190, there'll be nothing there. You'll just type in right here where it says credits left, put 100. You got to put a minimum of 100 in here, and you'll get 100. But if you got more, you can add to it. But just put 100 in, hit add, and you're finished. It's that easy. But apparently there's something going on right now. That's how simple it is. And then what happens is all the members, which the other day we went over 70,000 members. Those many people are coming through here, and your videos are added in these paid videos, bonus videos, videos. That's where they're getting seen at. And on top of that, they're being seen by people that are interested in making money online, interested in Bitcoin, working from home. So it's a great market in here because everyone's doing the same thing. It's not like you're putting videos in here to people that have no interest in anything you're doing. Everyone's interested in, or they wouldn't be here. So that in itself is worth being in here for that. But earning the Bitcoin daily, like I said, right now I'm in Group 7, earning $12 a day, a little over. And my next stop's going to be Group 8. Not sure when I'm going to get there yet. Not sure how many more days. But I'm going to get there sooner than later. But it's very powerful, guys. You got to get in here and check it out. So what I'm going to do, this is the easy way to earn Bitcoin online is right here. So what I'm going to do, guys, underneath this video in the description, I'm going to have a link. Just follow it. Put your name in there and email address, and it'll get you hooked up here to MyBitcoin. And you can also contact me on Facebook. Send me a message. This is me right here. Send me a message. Send me a friend request. Follow me. However you'd like to do it. Contact me and tell me you're interested in this or interested in something else you've seen on my YouTube channel. You can, while you go on my YouTube channel here, if you would, I really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up for this if you like it. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. And check out the other videos I have on there. Plenty of them on MyBitcoinTube and many other affiliate offers on there. Just go in there and check that out. If you have a question, if it's on this video, in the description below, down there in the comments, comment down there and let me know what your question is or how I can help you. So be more than happy to help anybody because I was there a long time ago. Actually, it hadn't been that long ago. I struggled bad, guys. Didn't know anything. I mean, nothing. And pretty much had to learn most of it on my own. So hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. And we will talk to you later. Remember to link in the description and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you would. I really would appreciate it. Take care, and you all have a great day. Take care. Bye.